ready to go green flag racing. Green flag in the air. Good field of cars down here at the Dillon Speedway. Out of turn number 4, coming to the front, Bill Willis. Wayne Bird in that 101 Sheriff's car running in the 3rd position, got into the lap car of Sarah Maid as they come up to lap the cars, and I think he's got a right rear tire down. As he comes down pit road. We'll give him time to assess the problem there. Green. Back to racing here, Dillon Speedway. Willis through the race. They were talking on 15 and second. 33 and 88. That's how they run without a turn number 4. Coming to the track, 11 laps after the race. Stop, let's line them up, straight stop, let's line them up, straight stop. Johnson picking up the win here tonight. 116 cars. Good run for him. He'll bring it down to victory lane. Quick stock getting lined up for their 25 lap main event. Bringing his way down to victory lane. Steve Johnson picking up the win here at the Dillon Motor Speedway, picking up the hardware down there in victory lane here tonight. Steve, during the day, he is a FedEx 18-wheeler driver. He works for FedEx Corporation. He actually runs the Charlotte, from Wilmington to Charlotte every day. So anyway, let's hear it for you, folks. Chauncey, you ought to be tickled to death down there right now. Let's hear it for you, folks. All right. We're going to give it to Hunter Thomas is going to be down there in victory lane getting congratulations in victory lane. Hunter, you got an excited guy down there.
I'm down here with Steve Chauncey. Steve, congratulations. And this is just a stacked field tonight. There's a ton of cars. What's it like to be the best of those cars right now?
First of all, let me thank Bill Crone, Chevrolet, and GMC Buick at Wallace. If anybody needs a used car, a new car, let's go to Wallace and get it. I want to thank Cascades for putting on this double coach race for us tonight. And you know what to say, man. That's great.
How's your chances tonight in the bigger race?
I think they're pretty good.
Congratulations. Everyone give it up to Steve Chauncey, tonight's Mini Cup feature winner.